I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a spotless surface now. Wash the glass, rinse, then wipe with 70% plus isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. Once done, tape edges and map your design so you won't fumble mid-paint. Select an acrylic enamel or a glass-specific acrylic because standard craft paints won't adhere as well. Thin the paint slightly, about 5–10%, to improve flow. Make sure to test a small swatch on the underside. This quick check saves time and avoids surprises later. Begin by applying thin, even base coats. Thin layers dry faster and reduce drips. You'll want to let each coat cure, air dry for 15–30 minutes, or use low heat, about a cool oven or hair dryer at a distance, to speed things up. Once the base is stable, add details with fine brushes and gradients with sponges or foam. Work from background to foreground, and wait until the paint is tacky, but not wet before adding the next layer, so edges remain clean and adhesion improves. After complete drying, often 24 hours, seal your work with a clear acrylic sealer or a varnish specified for glass to protect against scratches and handling. If the paint brand requires heat curing, follow its temp and time exactly. Extreme heat can crack glass or discolor pigments. If you see peeling or lifting, stop. Sand the area gently, clean with alcohol, apply an adhesion promoter or primer, and repaint. This correction prevents repeat failure and restores a strong bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.